Sudan. Official, the Republic of the Sudan is a country in Northern Africa. It borders the Central African Republic to the southeast, Chad to the west, Libya to the northwest, to the north, the Red Sea to the east, Eritrea and Ethiopia to the southeast, and South Sudan to the South. Sudan has a population of 50 million people as of 2024 and to fish 1,886,068 square kilometer or 728,025 square miles, making it Africa's the largest country by area and the third largest by area in the Arab League. It was the largest country by area in Africa and the Arab League until the secession of South Sudan in 2011. Since then, both titles have been held by Algeria. Sudan's capital and most population city is Khartoum. Republic of the Sudan, Jawa Royata ala Sawadan, Arabic Jumhuriyat Sudan. Flag emblem mutu An-Nasrana. Victor is our anthem. Nahnu jund Allah jun al watan. We are soldier of good, soldier of the homeland. Location of the Republic of the Sudan, hijau. Capital and largest city Khartoum. Official largest Arabic English. Ethnic groups 70% Sudanese Arab, 5.9% Beja, 2.5% Nuba, 2% Fur, 2% Egyptian, 1.3% Nubian, 16.3% other. Religion 2022 97% Sunni Islam, 3% Christianity. Names Sudanese government, Federal Republic under a military junta. President of the National Sovereignty Council, Abdel Fattah al-Burhan. Vice President of the National Sovereignty Council, Malik Agar. Prime Minister, Kamil Idris. Legislature, Translation Legislature, Authority. Formation, Kingdom of Karma. 2500 BC, Kingdom of Kush. 1070 BC, Magodia, Nobatia and Alubia. C 350 Tanjur Furn and Darfur Sultanates. C 1050 Terso Egyptian Sudan 1820 Mahdis State 1885 Anglo Egyptian Condominium 1899 Independence 1 January 1956 Democratic Republic of the Sudan 15 May 1969 Republic of the Sudan 1985 to 2019 6 April 1985 secession of South Sudan, then July 2011 Sudan's revolution, 19 December 2018 2019 draft constitutional declaration effective 20 Augustus 2019 area total 1,868 kilometer persegi or 728,215 SKMI. Population 2024 estimated 467,278. Tension CD 21.3 km persegi or 55.2 SKMI. 202 GDP PPP 2023 estimated total 172.651 billion US dollar. Per capita 3,604 US dollar. 151 in the world. GDP nominal 2023 estimated total 25,569 billion US dollar. 96 in the world. Per capita 533 US dollar. 171 in the world. JINI 2014 34.2 medium inequality. HDI 0.516 low. 170 in the world. Country Sudan's pound SDG. Time zone UTC2 cut. That format DDD YY. Kaleng kode 249 ISO 31 and 66 kode SD. Internet TLB SD Asawadana. The R that is now Sudan witnessed the Cormuzan C 40,000 to 90,000 BC. Alphan Culture C 20,500 to 17,000 BC. Sebilian C 13,000 to 10,000 BC. Hadan Kultur C 15 to 5,000 BC. Cita Chin Nadet. The War of Jabal Sahaba, the early known war in the world around 11,500 BC. A group culture C 3,018 to 30,100 BC. Kingdom of Karma C 2 500 to 1500 BC. The Egyptian New Kingdom c. 1500 to 1070 BC, and the Kingdom of Kush c. 785 BC. 350 AD. After the fall of Kush, the Nubians formed their Christian kingdom of Nobati, Makuria, and Alodia. But when the 14th and 15th centuries, most of Sudan was gradually settled by Arab nomads from the 18th to the 19th centuries. Central and Eastern Sudan were dominated by the Van Sultanate, while to rule the West and the Ottomans the East. In 1811, Maglukes established a state at Dunkhwalah as a base for their slaughtering. Under Turco-Egyptian rule of Sudan, after the 1820, the practice of trading slaves was encouraged along a north-south axis, with slavery taking place in south part of the country and slaves being transported to Egypt and the Ottoman Empire. From the 19th century, the entirety of Sudan was conquered by the Egyptians under the Muhammad Ali dynasty. Religion nation for Khois erupted in the Mahdist uprising, in which Mahdist forces were eventually defeated by a joint Egyptian-British military force. In 1899, under British pressure, Egypt agreed to share sovereignty over Sudan with the United Kingdom as a condominium. In effect, Sudan was governed as British possession. The Egyptian Revolution of 1952 toppled the monarchy and dominated the withdrawal of British forces from all of Egypt and Sudan. Muhammad Naguib, one of the two leaders the revolution, and Egypt's first president, was half Sudanese and had been raised in Sudan. He made securing Sudan independence a priority of the revolution government. The following years, under Egyptian and Sudanese pressure, the British agreed to Egypt's demand for both government to terminate their sovereignty over Sudan and then Sudan independence. On 1 January 1556, Sudan was duly declared independent state. After Sudan became independent, the governmental regime began Islamist rule. This assessor but when the Islamic North, the set of the government and the animal and Christian in the south, difference in legal religion and political power erupted in a civil war. But when government forces, influenced by the National Islamic Front (NIF) and the South rebels, which most influenced faction was the Sudan People's Liberation Army (SPLA), which eventually led the independence of South Sudan in 2011. But when 1989 and 2019, a 30-year-long military dictatorship by Omar al-Bashir ruled Sudan and committed widespread human rights abuses, including torture, persecuting minorities, other sponsors of global tourism, and ethnic genocide in Darfur. From 2003 to 2020, overall the regime killed an estimated 300 to 400 people. Protests erupted in 2018 demanding Bashir resignation, which resulted in a coup. data on 11 April 2019 and Bashir's imprisonment. Sudan is currently embroiled in a civil war between two rival factions, the Sudan Armed Forces SAF and the Paramilitary Rapid Support Forces RSF. Now, Islam West Sudan state religion and Islamic laws were applied from 1983 until 2020, when the country became a secular state. Sudan is a less developed country and among the poorest countries in the world, ranking 170 on the Human Development Index as of 2024 and 185 by nominal GDP per capita. Its economy larger relies on agriculture due to international change and isolation, as well as a history of internal instability and factional violence. The largest majority of Sudan is dry and over 60% of Sudan population lives in poverty. Sudan is a member of the United Nations, Arab League, African Union, COMESA, Non-Aligned Movement, and the Organization of Islam Cooperation. Economy. Main article: Economy of Sudan. See also telecommunication in Sudan and transport in Sudan, gold, petroleum, ship and goods, raw cotton, other oil seed, groundnut, insect rice, for crop, groundnut, bran, sorghum, and then a proportional representation of Sudan export 2019. Oil and gas concession in Sudan 2004. Saudi Arabian, Egyptian, Eritrea, Ethiopian, Kenya, Uganda, Congo, Central Africa Republic.
Sudan is a country with cultural and ethnic diversity, with
GDP per capita
ethnic groups speaking more than 400 languages.
1952 to 2018, GDP per capita just for price change
Inequality and
over time, result and price over but one contributes
today the country is
its
being transformed.
measured
A new
in
generation of activists
interest
and politicians
US dollar
are
in
setting up an inclusive and diverse civil space.
2011 price.
History and culture are playing a critical role.
يلا المتاحف بصفة عامة لها أهمية جاية من
52
هي واحدة من المصادر الأساسية بيعتمدوها الناس
1000
لمعرفة التاريخ حقهم. لما يكون السلطة دي بس الأفراد
50
معينين هو اللي
US dollar under
ده التاريخ حقك ولا ما التاريخ حقك، بيكون دائما في مشكلة بتاعت
19
مجموعات أو في ناس كتار ما بيكونوا قادرين تريليت التاريخ.
Sudan's museums are
19
re-evaluating their purpose and
60
identity and set up a new community-based approach.
500 US dollar.
ميزة المتحف المجتمعي
1917
عملية الحفاظ على التراث ما عادت
100
مسؤولية القائمين على المتاحف، بل تم إشراك المجتمع.
1970
إشراك المجتمع أيضا
1000
إنه بيتم فيه الاحتفاء بالتراث أو التراث
500
الثقافي
US dollar.
المجتمعات عموما.
1918
لأن كل شريحة كل مكون من المجتمع يجب
1000
الثقافي معروض بالطريقة التي
500 US dollar.
يتم استشارته في هذا الأمر. أيضا كل الأنشطة المصاحبة في المتحف سواء كانت علمية أو تثقيفية
90
يتم إشراك المجتمع.
under 1000
بالتالي المسؤولية تبقى جماعية بين
500 US dollar.
الرسمي والتنفيذي
20
والمكون المجتمعي اللي هو المستفيد الأول من هذا المتحف.
00
This path are the community museums in Omdurman in Khartoum State,
1000
El Obeid in North Kordofan,
500
and Nyala in South Darfur.
2010
All three museums have worked hard to redefine
3000
using open workshops, to collaborate with local communities
500
as widely as possible.
US dollar.
المشروع في
20
بالنسبة لي فكرة جميلة جدا جدا. حقيقة كان أول مرة أسمع بمفهوم
18
المتاحف المجتمعية.
Sudan and then
أنا أصلا عندي إيمان إنه المجتمعات المحلية هي المفروض تخلق واقع.
3,500
أفضل من المتاحف تريكورد أو تسجل الواقع
US
كل
dollar. GDP per capita development in Sudan in 2010,
العرض في إعادة تصميم
Sudan was considered the
الشركات اللي يخلقها والحياة بتاعت
17th the fastest growing economy in the world and the rapid development of the country larger from oil profit. Even one flagging international sensation was noted by the New York Times in a 2006 article because of the secession of South Sudan, which contained about 75% of Sudan's oil village. Sudan entered a phase of stagflation. GDP rose slow to 3% in 2014, 3.7% in 2016, while inflation remained as big as 21.8% as of 2015. Sudan GDP fell from as US dollar.
هو أكيد طبعا المشروع بيغير نظرة الواحد لحاجات كثيرة. يعني بالنسبة لي تاريخ السودان الحديث القديم
3 billion in 2072 US dollar 4,852 billion in 2018. Even will the oil profit before the secession of South Sudan, Sudan still formidable economic problem and its growth was still a risk from a very low level of per capita output. The economy of Sudan has been steadily growing over the 2000 according to a World Bank report. The overall growth in GDP in 2010 was 5.2% compared to
بما انه المتاحف المجتمعيه ولدت متاخر يعني في السودان يعني لكن ولدت باسنانها
2009 growth of 4.2%. The growth was sustained even during the war in the Darfur and period of Southern autonomy, Operation South Sudan independence. Oil with Sudan main export mill production increasing dramatically during the late 2000. In the year before South Sudan gained independence in July 2011 with rolling oil reference. The Sudan's economy was booming with a growth rate of about 9% in 27 the independence of oil-rich South Sudan. However, pledged much major oil field out of the Sudan's government radical control and oil production in Sudan fell from around 450,000 barrels per day 72,000 meter cubic per day to under 60,000 barrel per day or 9,500 meter cubic per day. Production has since recovered to over around 250,000 barrel per day or 40,000 meter cubic per day from 2014 to 15. To export oil, South Sudan relies on pipelines to Port Sudan on Sudan Red Sea coast, as South Sudan is a landlocked country as well as the oil refining facilities in Sudan. In Augustus 2012, Sudan and South Sudan agreed to a deal to transport South Sudan's oil to Sudan's pipelines to Port Sudan. The People's Republic of China is one of the Sudan major trading partners. China owns a 40% share in the Greater Nile Petroleum Operating Company. The country also sells Sudan small arms, which have been used in military operations such as the conflict in Darfur and South Kordofan. While historical agriculture remains the main source of income and employment, here of over 80% of Sudan's and makes up a third of the economy sector. Oil products drove most of Sudan for 2000 growth century. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) is working hand in hand with Khartoum government to implement sound macroeconomic policies. The follow a turbulent sound macroeconomic policies. The follow as a turbulent period in the 1981 debate-ridden Sudan relation with the IMF and World Bank showed culmination in its evaluation subvention from the IMF. According to the Corporation Perception Index, Sudan is one of the most corrupt nations in the world. According to the Global Hunger Index of 2013, Sudan has an GHI indicator value of 27.0, indicating that the nation has an alarming hunger situation. It is rated the fifth hungriest nation in the world according to the 2015 Human Development Index (HDI). Sudan ranked the 167 place in human development, indicating Sudan still as one of the lowest human development rates in the world. In 2014, 45% of the population lives on less than $3.2 per day, up from 43% in 2009. Science and research, Sudan has around 50 or 25 to 30 universities. Instruction is primarily in Arabic or English. Education at the secondary and university levels has been seriously hampered by the requirement that must perform military service before completing their education, in addition to Islamization encouraged by President al-Bashir, oriented many researchers to official language of instruction in universities was changed from English to Arabic, and Islamic courses become mandatory. Internal science funding with her, according to UNESCO, more than 3,000 Sudanese researchers left the countries between 2002 and 2014. By 2013, the countries had a mere 19 researchers for every 100,000 citizens, or 1 to 30, the ratio of Egypt, according to the Sudan National Center for Research. In 2015, Sudan publishes only about 15 scientific papers in comparison Poland, a country of similar population, is published on the order of 10,000 papers per year. Sudan Nation Space Program has produced multiple CubeSat satellites and has planned to product a Sudan-SE communication satellite, SudaSat-1, and a Sudan-SE remote sensing satellites, SRSS. The Sudan-SE government contribute to an overhaul for a private sector ground surveying satellite operation above Sudan. Arabsat 6E, which was successful, launched on 11 April 2019 from the Kennedy Space Center. Sudan's President Omar Hassan al-Bashir called for an African Space Agency in 2012, but plans were never made final.
You want to bamba? You want to G with the big boys? Now you the wrong, get it, you the wrong, get it, up, drink with the top cup. Ha! Hey! So you see how the thing goes? See how the thing goes? Oh, you're telling me who blend you? And who? Ha! Alright, take it easy and let's see high points. Okay.
Sudan.
Sudan. Sudan.
This is Sudan.
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 This is Sudan.
Like exchanging money on the black market in Sudan. A lot of bills, a lot of people watching.